So I've been seeing this type of design all over my feed lately, and I thought, I want to make that. So in this video, we are going to be doing exactly that. But first we have to start by collecting photos like these that match a certain criteria. One thing all these photos have in common is the high contrast shadows on the face, which is what we need. We need dark spaces that our traffic photos will fill in. Now, if you're interested in doing the same, look up hard shadow or hard light portraits. I usually use Unsplash or Pexels to get my photos. The next thing we need are traffic or city street photos, something with streaks or flares. To find these photos, I searched up long exposure city traffic or late night traffic. But one thing I really want to do is give my design some depth and meaning. And I thought about those scenes in movies where the character is walking or driving by a city street and the lights of passing cars streak across the screen as the character continues on and looks lost in their own thoughts as the world passes by in a blur. More often than not, it's a scene meant to convey emotion in the audience. What kind of emotion varies across films, but that's when I thought about pathos, a concept developed by Aristotle along with ethos and logos that is defined as the appeal to emotion in order to persuade an audience. So that's what I'm titling this work and basing it on. design looks like. I tried to relate all the small text back to pathos, and even highlighted the word pathos every time it was used, to give the piece some more color. But let me know what you think in the comments, and subscribe for more content like this.